Shed means a roofed structure in a garden. Okay. Next is guarded. Guarded means cautious. While you playing, you should be very careful. You should be cautious, right? Or else you may get wounded. Right, children? Guarded means cautious or careful, protected. You should be protected by yourself while playing. Base. Base means at the starting place where you start playing the game. The place where you play, right? The place where you play, that can be called as a base. Okay, in this poem. Gained means huge. Gained means huge. That is a big. Next is crept. Crept means which can be moved slowly. See, while we searching in hide and seek, slowly we move like this, right? Without making noise, we move slowly. That is called as crept. Understood? Crept means slowly move without making noise. Next is glowing. Glowing means shining, which shines. Shines means glowing. Next is grabbed. See, while you playing, if you are using anything, means if someone grabs, if they need to catch this, means what they do, they will pick from you like this. Forcibly, they will get a thing from you. Okay, forcibly, they will get a thing. That is called as grabbed, means seized forcefully. The robber, they will take a thing forcibly from us, right? The robbers, how they will take? They will ask, shall I take this thing from you? They will ask. No, the robbers, they will not ask. Forcibly, they will pick the things from us. That is called as seized forcefully. Okay, children? Next is captured. Captured, have you heard the word captured? In the phone, you're going to capture a photo, right? I will take a photo, or else we will tell, I will capture one snap of you. We will ask like that, right? Capture means got hold of something or someone by force. Okay, or else control can also be tell. Control also we can tell. Defeat. Defeat means having been beaten in a battle or contest. Having been beaten. While you're playing, you beat your father or mother or your sister and brother, right? That can be called as defeated. Okay, ferocious. Ferocious means very dangerous, violent, violent or dangerous. Lair. Lair means a place where a wild animal lives. Have you heard this word, children? No, it is a new word. L-A-I-R. Lair means that is a place where a wild animal lives. In this poem, there is one wild animal. Okay, I will tell you who is that wild animal. Next is mission. See, children, while we playing, there will be one mission. There will be one goal. That is an important thing. See, if I keep something or some doll over after 50 meters, means who will first go and catch that doll, they will be the winner. If I said like means, what you all will do? You will be ready to go and catch that doll, right? That is the mission. That is the mission what I kept in this game. In the same way, in poem also, there is a mission that two sisters, they want to get two goats from a tree. That is the mission. Mission means an important task that someone is sent to somewhere. Say, I am sending you to get a doll from after 50 meters. That is the main goal what I kept in a game. Right, children? You getting? Mission means an important task or important job that someone is sent somewhere to do. In the game, we are sending someone to take a doll. Understood? Next one is munch. Have you ate munch chocolate? You all like to eat munch chocolate? Oh, yes. Everyone like to eat munch chocolate. While you're eating that, how sound will come? Some karum, like that it will come, right? While you're eating munch. Munch means eat something loudly. While you're eating that chocolate, something sound will come, right? Yes, that is called as munched. Means eat something loudly. Next is slide. That is not there in your textbook. They didn't give a meaning, children, but still I am telling you because this is a new word. Sly means the cunning nature. While playing, we use sometimes the cunning nature, right? Why? Because I have to vote. That is something cunning I am having. Is it or not, children? By playing, we have sometimes we have a cunning nature. Here, sly means cunning. What you doing there, Kritya? You brushing. Next, yell. Yell means a loud or shout in a loud. While you playing, you will shout, right, children? Will you shout while you playing? Yes, we shout while playing. A loud sound. A loud sound means yell, or we can also tell it as a screamed. Say something loudly. Say if you didn't won the game means how you feel? You feel like crying. By excitingly, you do some sound by crying, right? Oh, mama, I didn't go won the game. Like that, you will cry, right? That is called as screamed. See, sometimes by angry also we do some sounds. Oh shit, I didn't won the game. Like that we do, right? That is also called as screamed. Say something loudly by showing your excitement or by showing you are angry. Next is snoozing. Have you all heard snoozing word, children? Snoozing means resting or napping. See, sometimes I think you all have seen in your house while your parents coming from outside, or if they feel tired means they will do rest by sleeping on the chair or sofa, right? By sitting only they will do rest like this. That is called as snoozing. Okay, resting or napping. These are few hard words, children. Practice this. I will send you in WhatsApp group with meaning also. Okay, children. Now I will tell you story of this poem. Brief summary of the poem. You all are interested to listen the story? Yes, we all will now move to the story. I will show you very wonderful pictures also in this story, children. Okay, so that you can easily understand the poem. Okay, carefully you have to listen. If you people are doing any something other work instead of listening means I will remove from the class. Okay, done. Pratik Raj, sit in one place. Joshna, Hitanshi, on your video. Harshita Kia, on your video. Take your textbook, children. Take your textbook and sit. Can you all see the screen, children? Please don't touch phone. Sit straight. Don't touch phone, children, because scratches will be there on the screen. So I am telling. Pratik Raj, sit properly. Are you there to listen the class or playing? Joshna, Harshita Kaya, Hitanshi, on your video. Why are you doing like this? Yes, dear children, this is a poem named Playtime. Poem name is Playtime, which is written by Claire Horsburgh. Poet name is Claire Horsburgh. Have you seen shed, children? See, here is a shed. You can see, right? It is visible, children. Yes. How is the shed? Where the shed has been placed? It is placed in a garden. Where the shed is placed? It is placed in a garden. Which fruit you can see there? Which fruit it is? Apple. It is an apple tree. Okay. So this is an apple garden where we can see the shed. Who are these two? These two are sisters. Understood, children? Sisters. Two sisters are playing in this poem. The elder sister is the one who is poet. Okay, children? The elder sister is, younger sister is his poet sister. Varsha, don't touch phone. Sit straight. So poet is playing with her sister. Poet is playing with her sister in a garden. You can see apple tree, right? This is an apple tree. What is this? This is a gold apple, golden apple. Yes, in the game, there is a mission. What the mission they use? They have to get 2 golds from the tree. Okay. The two sisters, they were playing in a garden. The main mission means the important task, important job is what they have to do in a game. They have to get 2 golds from a tree. Okay, they have to get 2 golds from a tree. In this poem, 2 gold means 2 apples. Okay, 2 apples. They have to get 2 apples from a apple tree. Okay. But there is one giant beast. How it is, children? Is it cute? No, it is not cute. It is very dangerous. How does it look? It is very wild. Is it not, rich children? It is a wild animal. In this poem, who is wild animal? You know, that is father. Poet father is a wild animal. See, children, this is a giant beast. Giant beast means a wild animal. Here, poet is comparing giant beast to her father. Where in the picture you can see, right, where the father is sleeping, where he is doing rest? Under an apple tree. Under apple tree, who is sleeping? Who is doing rest? Poet father. Poet father doing rest. In this game, he is a giant beast. Okay. He is like a wild animal. He is like very dangerous. Okay. They have to take 2 apples from tree. But under the tree, there is a wild animal. Who is that wild animal? Their father. Their father, he is very dangerous. He is sitting under a tree. But still, the poet wants to get 2 apples from the tree. Okay. Now the poet is going to take 2 apples from the tree. What poet is doing now? Poet is going to take 2 apples from a tree. That is 2 golds from tree. What happened now? Her father opened slowly his eyes and watching what poet is doing. Poet is going to take 2 golds from the tree. So next what the father did? See what father is doing here? He is grabbing her shirt. He is grabbing her shirt. Grabbing means he is taking her shirt. He is lagging. He is lagging poet shirt. Why he is lagging? Because he don't want to get her 2 apples from the tree. Getting, children? Father no need to get apple from tree to her daughter. Okay. So he is hanging his hand to her shirt. He is grabbing her shirt. Then see what she is doing with her father. She is fighting with her father to get an apple. You fight your father, right, while playing? Sometimes your father will also act, right? Yes. Now poet is fighting with the father to get 2 apples. And again, by seeing this, her sister, she also came to help poet. Her sister came to help poet to take 2 goals from the tree. And they both fought with their father. And what happened? The father, he is acting like he fell down. Father fell down. Simply he is acting like he fell down. Okay. Then these 2 sisters, they felt very happy. They felt happy. And what father, and father, he also went to take rest again. These 2 sisters, they got their apples. Okay. After getting 2 apples, they both are enjoying eating 2 apples. So they won their game. Understood, children? Is it good? Yes, it is very interesting. See, children, in this poem, I show you one wild animal, that is a giant beast. Here, poet is comparing giant beast to her father. And here, in this poem, we can see grass and branches in a garden, right? The grass and branches are compared to these twisted wires. Twisted wires. Grass and branches compared to twisted wires. See, children, this is a garden which has been fully filled with grass and bushes. This is a shed. Okay, now let me read a poem. Look at your textbook, children. Once I will read poem, okay? Keep your index finger on textbook. This is your index finger, right? Keep on your textbook. Move as and when I move on the line, okay? Listen how I will pronounce the words. They should not be mistake while you reading a textbook, okay? Listen carefully, children. Poem Playtime, written by Claire Horsburgh. By the garden shed, my sister and I were playing a game and I was a spy. I heard a mission while she guarded base. I had to get gold from a secret place. The gold was 2 apples on the big tree, but in our game they were real gold to me. A giant beast. A giant beast was asleep in the way. If I woke him up, I would be sure to pay. The beast was ferocious, quite mad and bad. But really, the beast was my snoozing dad. I crept past the bushes, twisted like wire, and round the low wall, glowing warm like fire. I did not notice the beast's beady eye opening slowly. My dad could be sly, S-L-Y, sly. I reached out my hand and captured the gold. I was almost back when a hand took hold. I grabbed at my shirt and made me yell. My sister looked up and she screamed as well. Ha! The monster, the beast has got you now. I had to escape. I did not know how. My sister flew in and started off a fight. We both fought the beast with all our might. Soon he was weak and he fell to his knees. Our dad could act well and he liked to please. We escaped to our safe place by the shed. The beast was defeated and hung his head. He returned to settle in his dark lair, actually just the old garden chair. We spies had won the mission complete. We munched on our apples. Oh, what a treat! Once you read by yourself, children. Once you read by yourself. Yes, do you all read, children? There are few words which are difficult. So practice reading in home twice. Okay. Shall I explain story now? By para wise, I will explain you, children. First, I will teach you first para. By the garden shed, my sister and I were playing a game. Here, in the garden, who are playing? I means who? I means poet. I means poet Claire Horsburgh. She and her sister, they both were playing in a garden shed. And I was a spy. Here, spy means she should have to keep some secret watch on other thing. Okay, children, here who is spy? The poet is spy. The poet went to find out 2 apples to get from the tree. So here, poet is spy. Okay. I heard a mission while she guarded base. Here, what is the mission? What the mission they used? Get 2 goals from the tree. That is the mission. Okay. So here, poet and her sister, they decided a mission while she guarded base. Who is that touching phone? Remove your hands on the phone. So poet and her sister, they fixed their mission while she guarded a base. She guarded a base means here poet, she started playing a game. That is a starting place where they start a game. Varsha, you have any doubt? Varsha? Unmute from your side. Yes, Varsha.
Ma'am, spy, ma'am.
Spy means a person who keeps secret watch. Here, who is watching a secret watch? That is poet. Poet is going slowly, right? Poet is going slowly to take 2 goals from a tree. Spy means a person who keeps secret watch on others. While you're playing, one of your friends will keep a secret watch on you, right? While you're playing hide and seek, another person will have a secret watch, right? Where she is going, to whom she is getting, who has been found out in a game like that. You will find out, right? We will find out a secret watch. That is, You keep on a secret watch on others. That is called as spy. Okay, a person who keeps secret watch on others. I had to get gold from a secret place. Who had to get gold from secret place? Poet. Poet want to get gold from secret place. In poem, gold means what? The two apples on a big tree. Okay? Gold means two apples on a big tree. But in our game, they were real gold. Here, poet is imagining that two apples means that is the real gold. If it has been got means they will win the game. It is like a real gold. Okay, poet is comparing two apples to a real gold. Understood first para children? Okay, next we'll go to second stanza. A giant beast. Giant beast means wild animal. A giant beast was asleep in the way. See, on the way where the poet want to take two apples, on that way a giant beast was sleeping, was taking rest in the way. If I woke him up, I had be sure to pay. If giant beast has been got woke up means what a poet has to do? Poet has to pay something to the giant beast. If any wild animal is there means we will get scared like? Yes, we will get scared. Yes, Krutya, what is your problem?
Ma'am, this another sister name is what, ma'am?
They didn't mention sister name, ma. Poet is playing with her sister. Okay. A giant beast was asleep. Here, wild animal was sleeping in the way. What is that way? That is a way where the poet passed to get two apples. Hemisha? See, children, please don't touch the screen. It is visible, right? How the screen is getting scratched? Please don't touch. Remove your hands and sit straight. Otherwise, I will end the class. I will not teach you today. Remove your hands first. Yes, Hemisha? Unmute from your side.
Ma'am, what is beast, ma'am?
Beast means wild. Giant beast, that means wild animal. Okay. Giant beast is wild animal. A giant beast was asleep in the way. Where the giant beast was sleeping? Giant beast was sleeping in the way where the poet passes to get two apples from the tree. Where the giant beast was sleeping? He was sleeping under the apple tree. Right? That is, for that, poet is saying that the giant beast was sleeping under the tree that is in the way. Varsha, remove your hand on the phone. Otherwise, I will remove you from the group. What you doing like this? I woke him up. I had be sure to pay. See, if person got woke up me, what to do? They have to pay those apples to him. Right, children? If I woke him up, I had be sure to pay. The beast was ferocious. Ferocious means dangerous.